Hi, my name is Sean Flavin and I'm a product manager here at Light Efficient Design. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our new lineup of high bay retrofits for high bay fixtures. With this new lineup, we've basically doubled our offering with products specifically designed for specific fixture types, as well as offering a brand new product for ultra high ceilings that I will talk about momentarily. So with this new lineup, we now have products that are specifically designed for open fixtures, which represent about 80% of the industry, as well as products created specifically for enclosed fixtures, which would represent about 20%. We also have an awesome new product for ultra-high ceilings, which is rated for 270 watts, replacing up to 1,000 watts with an internal driver. So these products are available in 4000K, 5000K, and are all EX39 base. They also use direct line voltage only to operate. So there's a few standout features that I'd like to talk to you about today, and what's important is on the inside. On the enclosed fixture models, there's actually a fan and a combination of dynamic temperature control, which would depreciate the lumen output as the fixture became hotter, that works together in order to create an exceptional lifespan for these products. These products are rated for 5 years, have a 6Ka surge protection, and are UL rated and maintain that UL rating after the product is retrofitted.